Our staff goes that extra mile to ensure everyone walks away happy and satisfied. It's part of our top-notch 5-star experience, and we're excited to share our latest rave review with you. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top-quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. See, and you'll be amazed. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.